Another episode of Nasty Addiction. We're actually on our way to, they're right in front of the house, so we're on our way right now to go check it out. Got a lot of things coming up. Guys, so we're here in front of the house. There goes the MR2. We're gonna go grab it. So I ripped the carpet out of this bad boy. Start vacuuming. There was ice in here at one point. After a nice vacuum, it looks pretty good. There's no super bad spots. Looks nice. So I did a little work off camera. So I've removed the red. It's still got a couple things to go, like Louis, aka Tarzan, here helping me out. So look at this. This is the final product, guys. Let's zoom in on those guns, though.
It's not even the paint.
Look,
it's just the guns.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, look at that. We got the motor. He's moving on the motor right now. I can't wait to see how it. Thank you again. Can't do this without you guys. Again, I appreciate every single one of you subscribers. Get their plug out. See if I can reach it in here. Hey boys, she just got back. Look at this. I'm really having an issue with this because I don't know if I want to sell it. I really. So first cam gear is removed, single layer, just so then there's no leaks of any kind and it stays nice and clean. And so check it out, guys. We have everything here. We have the TCS bar that's here. We have. Look at this quality, guys. Alright guys, with a little bit of research I was able to get it done. Super simple. Here, this one here, this one as well. Check it here, changing these up, going around and changing these up as well. Guys, so the wire for the starter is done in place with both AN fittings. 6 AN fitting, I believe. So far so good, guys. This thing is coming out. It's gonna fit and engage perfectly fine with the transmission. So hopefully this. All right, guys. So it is lowered now enough to where I can lift it and level it out. So wish me luck. I don't want. All right, guys. So far, I got most of it in. I got the transmission mount in. Jesus. Alright guys, now that we got everything done with the shifter cables, we're gonna move on to the subframe now. So, boys, she's on the floor! She is on the floor! Check it out! Finally! It's been 6 months, dude! Check it out! Let's look at that undercarriage. Let's see how it looks from behind. That looks sweet. Alright boys, she is out getting some sun. It feels amazing. But check it out. Badass. Perfect, guys. Alright guys, so this is how our front end looks so far. It's been removed the fog lights. Fog lights have 2 bolts right there, 2 screws, one right there, one right here. These are brand new. With the new tires and freshly refreshed wheels. It's gonna be happening soon. We're gonna finish this car real soon, and then I got a lot of awesome new goodies coming. Oh, what the hell is that? All right, guys, so she's finally back on the ground, but I love the 5th gen motor. It's been one of those good motors that